Okay, now we're gonna be learning how to use Wireshark. Now, let me give you an introduction of what that is. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer, and it captured packet data to see whether the data from the packet is valid. Or for example, if it's legal or not, basically. And it also helps to see if there has been any changes in your packet, such as if the original packet has been changed due to a malicious coding, if a malicious code has entered the packet in some way. Now, what we're gonna do here, to explain, we're gonna learn the contents of the packets, which are the messages that are being sent and received from the network protocol. Then the protocols help us to see if the packet has a trace of that malicious code inside the packet. Now let's go to Wireshark here. We go to Run as Administrator. Okay, now our local end cabin Ethernet, it will be showing here. Since, however, I don't have the Ethernet, the only one that we'll be using is the Wi-Fi that I'm having. Alright, so then we go to Preferences to see if we can capture our packets. And then we go to Capture. And you see these boxes here? These all four? You need to see if they're all checked in. Don't click these two, only these four. We press OK. Then we go to capture a packet. We press Start. And we're showing all of the packaging. All of them. Now, what you're noticing here, they are divided in five sections. Okay. This one is the command menu. Now, this will let us to to save or capture packet data, or open a file containing the previous data, while also exiting our application. This menu. Now, the command menu is also the file and capture menu. Okay, now the capture menu will allow to begin the packet capture. Okay, now the packet listing window will display all the summary of each packet capture, which will be the number assigned by Wireshark and the time at which the packet was captured. The packet source, which will also include the packet source, destination address, the protocol type, the specific information the protocol contains the packet, and the packet link can be all sorted according to the by clicking of one of your packets. Now, the packet header detail. Now here, basically, when you're doing Wireshark, you're gonna have a lab explain like each box, like the command menu, display. The command menus will be on top. Then the display that you fill out of your packet. The list of the capture packet. And these will be the selected packet header, which will be the frame 1 Ethernet Internet Protocol Transmission Transport Link. And this will be the packet content of the hexadecimal and ASCII. Now, the packet header will provide details about the packet, selected or highlighting the packet list when like each one. They're all different colors on each type of packet coming in. Okay, now the packet content window, they'll display the content of the capture frame in both ASCII and hexadecimal font. And this would be the packet display field, which will have the protocol name and other information entered in order to fill the information displayed in the list, and hence the packet handling packet content. Okay. Now, as we're looking into Wireshark, as we begin, everything's showing up here. Okay. Now, this is the only. Now, the interface that we're using is looking at a Wi-Fi interface, which will be our endcut. And right now, before we sign, now this is all the data we. Now, if I want to go to an HTTP protocol, I need to go here, and basically we could copy the website. This is the website, the URL. If I could just copy here, and we will put it here. And that will say, congratulations, you downloaded the first Wireshark lab file. And we'll be showing here, and then let's press start of our packet to see before we get information. Now we all have all the packet data showing here in Wireshark. Okay. Now there's a lot of protocols here because there will be each of the internet displays showing up. Alright. Now let's say you want to look for one type of protocol. Okay, let's type in HTTP. We press apply and look all the HTTP found. Now let's look for the website again that we use. Now, okay. Now, here's one here. Here's the website that we use to find. And you see here that this is the packet that we use or download to find as we sign it. As we use Wireshark. This is the website, and this is the OK saying that they receive it. Okay. Now let's see our If you sorry, I got a little nervousness. Now, if you want to see the Ethernet of the code, as you see in here, everything, let's try clicking the Ethernet, and you see here, this is our Ethernet, the one that I highlighted in code, and what do we have? And let's see. Now, the destination. Now, the source here would be the website coming, and the destination is our computer. And you see here the time
here. Oh, I think I might be wrong. Who knows? Now, as you see here, we can see the time. Okay. Now, for internet protocol, we need to know what version that we use. And right here, it's version 4, which would be the newest. Now, the transmission control. Now, that would be the internet protocol that we see in version 4, the transmission protocol highline, and the hypertext, which on the blue, you know which one that you're looking at. Okay, but for right now, let's answer the following question that we select exit here. And in here, it's asking. Now, let's find 3 different protocols that are in the unfiltered packet. Okay, which is here. Now we got DNet, TCP, HTTP, MDNS, TLS-V1, LLMNR, NBNS. So basically, those you can find in the protocol. Okay, so basically you can find HTTP, DNS, and hold on. This TTCP, DNS. Basically, you can find any packet of the network protocol. Okay. Now, for question 2. Now we're gonna have 4 questions, but bear with me. How long does it take from when the HTTP message get was sent to the we receive? Alright. Now let's go here. We write in HTTP. We click apply. And as you notice, we need to view the time of the column. So if we want to see the time field, we need to go to Wireshark, View, pull down menu, which means View, Review, we got time display format, and we select the time of day. And as you can see here, we've seen the time of what we're seeing. But now, let's say we want to subtract. So right now, let's go to our calculator. And we put in.
Alright, now let's put in find the time interval. We put 43.0451. 3 minus 43.03